There is nothing worse than unsightly scratches. Luckily, our Mother's California Gold Scratch Remover can be a godsend in helping remove or improve certain scratches. It is important to determine the extent of a scratch and whether it can be removed. Scratch Remover is designed to be used by hand in a back and forth motion to remove localized scuffs and scratches, particularly those that appear around doors and door handles, boot lids and tailgates. As a guide, if you can feel the scratch with your fingernail, it is most likely too deep to remove. Scratches that cannot be removed can often still be made to look much better and not as noticeable. These imperfections and swirls shown here appear to be from age and lack of periodic polishing. Each car is different with how it reacts to polishing, but it is possible that Scratch Remover could reduce or remove these scratches. If the scratches are not removed the first go, repeat the process. Deeper or large areas of surface scratches like a complete bonnet, boot or side panel may be better tackled with a rubbing compound and buffing machine, or touch-up paint may be required. After using Mother's Scratch Remover, apply Mother's Wax, Hybrid Wax or ceramic spray coating to protect the paint surface. We wish you all the best with fixing any scratches and blemishes you encounter, and please get in touch with us for any advice.